scarier than the reality of your own death. Imagine yourself at your deathbed. Gives me goosebumps every time. Man, that got dark fast. Although it is an undeniable fact of being human that we all will die someday. Doesn't matter when, but it will happen. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. So we should really prepare for that. That's what really scares me, actually, that aspect of death. Apart from it itself being the end of me, it's the people I leave behind. It's maybe it's the guilt that I don't know. It's a projected guilt that the people I leave behind, especially since I do also have a lot of responsibilities, they might be left hanging. So I really find it really important to invest in a good insurance policy, because this is the first thing that you spend for when somebody dies, the funeral. Do you have money for a funeral? Do you have money set aside for that? I know it's a little morbid to talk about that this early in the morning, but we have to. Somebody has to wake you up to that reality. So, invest in a plan that can afford you a decent funeral and to keep your family from wanting too much. Then I've got this other response coming from anonymous texter as well. You guys, mind putting in your name so I can say hi to you properly on air? So anonymous texter here says, I'm really afraid of getting sick. And I'm not saying just getting the flu or something, but getting a debilitating sickness. And I know that with my lifestyle, it's something that's bound to happen. I smoke, I drink a lot, and I don't get enough sleep, and I don't eat well. But still, that's not frightening. That hasn't frightened me enough from making healthy choices. And so that makes me really scared of being ill someday. Oh, and you know it's gonna happen unless you change your lifestyle. Come on, don't do that to yourself. Well, I'm gonna be back with more responses too. I'm gonna be reading a lot of funny responses.